Hello guys. In the last class we have seen the list of accounts. Now we will see the a list of contacts in a table format. File new apex class underscore 12 underscore server underscore table underscore 1. Okay. It must be ARA enabled. Public static. It is it retrieving list of contacts. The method name is all contacts. You can write anything. So based on user search, it retrieving all contacts. So text, it is expecting text. So list of contact con list equal to select id comma name phone comma email account dot name. Let it be no need of this email of 3 or 4 is enough. Okay, name phone email is fine. Okay, from contact where name like percentage plus text plus percentage. Oh, percentage. Yeah, this is how we need to write the SOQL query. And it return list of contacts, list con list. To check whether this is working fine or not, I will write system dot debug con list. Yeah, fine. Save. Oh, why it is not get saved? Invalid type con. Oh, sorry. Contacts. Control S. Yeah, it is saved. Fine. Go to debug. Open. Execute anonymous window. Delete all. Copy this class name. Paste it here. And this method is static type. So directly you can call with the class name. Dot. So this method is expecting some name. Let it be Ashok. Execute. Debug only. Yeah. So it is retrieving good. So it is retrieving the list of contacts. So our server side controller, that is Apex class, is working fine. Now I go to define open new lightning component LC server table underscore 1. Close the description. To make use of this server side controller class, we have to write controller equal to Just copy the class name, paste here, save. Yeah, it got saved. Now we need to hold the list of contacts. For that, I need one attribute. Aura sorry, attribute name equal to contact con of type. If I write like that, it holds only one contact, but it holds list of contacts. And I need another attribute or attribute to hold the search text which is entered by the end user. You see, search text which is of type string. Now I'll create one lightning card. Lightning card icon name equal to. Let me go to the SLDS icon. Let me go to the colorful one. Yeah, color. So NTSCT. Directly I can, yeah. I will take this one. This is the perfect contact list controls. Copy. And it is under standard icons. Oh, fine. So I'll just write STANDA or standard colon control. Now I will control the title section of the card with the help of aura set. Aura set attribute title bold tag contact list. Now I will control the I will also control the actions part of the lightning card with the help of aura set attribute equal to. Already you guys know in the component lightning language is for designing purpose, aura language is for logics. I will define one button here, label get all contacts on click. V dot C dot con list. You can write anything, no problem. You can write anything here. Variant equal to brand. That's it. Now I will define one table here. No, before that, I just need to go for, I'll give some break tag here. I will define one lightning input so that user can enter the data whose label is enter name of the contact. Even he mentioned only part of the contact name also you will be able to retrieve, because in the SOQL we have written like name like this. Okay, what even one letter he has written, he took, this SOQL will retrieve, the all the contacts which having even one letter of this text. Okay, one letter means if I write one letter, this letter which are having the same letter in all the contacts, that all the contacts will retrieve. Okay, right. Label equal to enter name of the contact, value, this value should be associated, this value should be attached, otherwise v dot this attribute, control C, sorry, yeah, fine. I should close this tag, break tag. Now I will define a table here, lightning colon data table key field. This I must be capital, and the data, where is the data, where is my data? Now the data will come to this list of contacts will come to this attribute con v dot con and columns. I didn't define any columns. Now I need to go for defining the columns. For that I need one attribute, aura at attribute name equal to colm, column type is, it is a list type. It is, there is no one column, right? Definitely it must be more than one column. Even if one column, it can accommodate. Yeah, this colm. Yeah, that's it. This is the table. Control S. Now we'll create. Now we'll go for controller. On click on list. Control V. Here we must define columns. Okay, that means table. Otherwise, you can call it as table. Okay, where column column equal to, you have to open the square brackets and close the square bracket. It is very simple, but somewhat lengthy. That's it. Just open and close the flower braces. Where inside you have to write small l. It should be small l. Label 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 equal to, not equal, label colon. What is the label? Last name. Okay, you can give no problem. Cap also no problem. Last name, comma, field name. What is the exact field name? Colon. What is the field name? Name is the field name. Okay. Outside, write comma. Open. No. Just copy this one and paste for 3 times. Because we need name, phone, email. Only 3. Control V. Label is phone. Field name is also phone. Label is email. Field is email. That's it. Table got created. Now, after creating the columns, we need to set these columns to the attributes. Component dot set v dot colm. I think in the attribute in the component we have written column. We have to assign that with col, which is this one. That's all. Now our table is got created. Now our regular steps like step 1, get the values of attributes from the component. Get the values of attributes from the component. Where txt, such text, only one attribute is there, right? This user enter this here. User enter the text that value is going settled here in the attribute name such text attribute, right? Now I am retrieving that one. Component dot get of v dot control C control V. Next step 2, get the server side controller method, that is Apex class method. Here we have to define one variable. I'm very sorry. You can define anything. In the real time usually we define action, where action equal to component dot get of C dot, what is the method name? All contacts. Next step 3, assign the values to the server side controller method. Action dot set params. It should be in JSON format. This method is expecting text. Control C control V. Txt is the value. This one txt. That's it. Step 3 is also done. Step 4, set the callback function for getting data. Action dot set callback this comma function. Inside I'll write response. You can write anything. Response where state equal to response dot get state. If state equal to success, where result equal to response dot get return value, and we are storing this result into this con because it can hold list of contact component dot set of v dot con comma result. This is step 4. Now go to step 5, that is enqueue the action dollar a dot enqueue action. Here we need to pass the variable action. Let me go to the file, new lightning application, copy lightning application, close the description, C colon extends, sorry, force colon SLDS, control S, preview. Yeah. Enter the name of the contact name. Let me go for Ashok. Get all contacts. Yes, fine, that's fine. So these are the contacts. Okay, if you want any other columns, if you want, you can add those columns as well. So this is how we need to create the column. Thank you.